Hello folks. So in this video I wanted to talk about how many people just believe the face value stuff, which is understandable. Whatever they see, whatever they hear, whatever they know, that's what they believe. For example, most people don't know that I go for say runs. Only I track my runs in Strava. There is this app called Strava. It's a app for athletes, and I track my runs there. Only my Strava followers know that I go for runs at times, and I do practice and whatnot sometimes, like very rarely these days, of course, because I just paused running and I've been traveling and stuff, right? A lot of excuses and then a lot of life just happened, let's just say, and I wasn't really feeling confident enough and healthy enough to actually go for long runs and whatnot. But I didn't go for practice that my company has. My company has a group for this, for running events and like for practicing for running events. I didn't go for the weekends, like on Sundays, right? So the people who go there, they are like, they don't know what's going on with me behind the scenes. They haven't seen me practicing or going for runs and whatnot. So they are like, usually what would they say? They're like, why aren't you coming? In their head, they're probably thinking this guy is done. So one of the colleagues, he is very, very motivating. I'm being sarcastic. Like, he just says stuff like, one day you will get all your enthusiasm and you will come one day, and then that's all, your enthusiasm dies after that day. So a lot of people are privileged to be able to go for this, practice every Sunday at the right time and whatnot. In my case, I was not feeling good. I wasn't feeling well. I didn't feel healthy and whatnot, or I was traveling and whatnot. Something or the other came up. In fact, there's one more person in the group who actually doesn't come because he feels it's pretty far. It's pretty far for me also, but I used to go. For me, it took like 20-30 minutes, I think. But then I think for the other person, I think it will take even like 1 hour or 2 hours, right? So yeah, I mean, it depends. Some people can come, some people can't come. Doesn't mean they're not practicing, doesn't mean they're not working on themselves, doesn't mean they're lazy, doesn't mean they can't do what you think they can do. Like, for example, they can't do what you think they can't do. For example, say these people probably think that I can't run, right? That's not the case, but then unfortunately that's all they know. They're ignorant. So yeah, they can only see things at face value. According to them, I didn't go for the practice runs. I didn't go for the practice for the exercises and whatnot every weekend on Sundays. So I'm probably just slacking off and not doing the work, not putting in effort and whatnot. But that's not the case. I'm trying to put in effort, but of course it's not going to be visible for them because it's been made like that because I didn't tell them. Whenever these people come and say all this stuff, I don't tell them excuses, or very rarely I tell them the reasoning behind why I didn't come. Even if I tell, doesn't matter. Even if I don't tell, doesn't matter, because these people have already made up their mind that this person can't do something, right? So I think it's important to understand that there is a lot of things that can go behind the scenes of a person's life, and you just know probably a very little part of it. And you can't really judge someone and evaluate their skills and what's going on by just looking at things at face value. If you want to evaluate skills, you have to properly evaluate them and not just look at what happened or what did not happen in front of your eyes, because a lot of things can happen behind the scenes, not in front of your eyes. And the person can still have skills, and the person can still be putting in efforts, just that not in front of you, not in front of your eyes. Probably behind the scenes something is going on. So yeah, I mean, that's all I had for this video. Let's see you in the next one. Bye bye.